Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Aeroplan Login not working on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're not being able to log into your Air Canada or your Aeroplan account, then here are some fixes for you. First, make sure that your mobile device is connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. If you're not connected to a stable internet, then you won't be able to log into your account. Once you're connected to a stable internet, go back to the login screen and log in by entering your credentials. Sometimes, if you're not being able to log into your account, it might be because you're not entering your valid credentials for your account. So in that case, retrieve your account's credentials by tapping on Forgot Your Password link and follow through the on-screen prompts. Always make sure to type in the correct credentials in order to log into your account. Even after entering the correct credentials, if your application is not letting you in, the next thing to do is to clear cache from your Aeroplan application. Go and tap Open, Settings from your Android device, and from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. From the app list, tap on the Air Canada application and tap on Storage. Now, click on Clear Cache button at the bottom right. Once you clear out your cache, tap on Clear Data at the bottom left and tap OK in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, go back to the app drawer and open up your Air Canada application. Log into your account again and see if that fixes the issue. If this still doesn't fix, the next thing to do is to delete the Air Canada or the Aeroplan application from your Android. Press and hold your Air Canada app and tap on Uninstall. Tap on OK in the pop-up and wait for a few seconds. Soon after the application is deleted, go back to your Play Store and re-download the application again. After the download is completed, open up the app and log into your account to see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out when your Aeroplan application is not working on your Android. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.